For the best deals on tires and rims, go to tiresourcecanada.ca. And don't forget to use their promo code HOC5 for a 5% discount on all the online orders. The link is in the description below. Hi guys, and welcome back to another EV6 video. My name's Murad. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and welcome back. But if you're new, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you know when the next video drops. I was driving my Kia EV6 when I made a phone call that was answered, but I couldn't hear the other person, so I hung up, redialed, no audio. So I put it on speaker and continue my call. Next thing is to turn my phone off and back on, so reboot. Still no audio on the next call. So I unpair and repair several times because I couldn't get the other person's audio. I play music on my phone via Bluetooth to the car. No audio. So I play music on the car's infotainment system, FM radio. No audio. So now I knew there was something wrong with the car and not my phone. Because that's the first thing you'll think. Maybe my phone is glitching. So I looked for a blown fuse inside and under the hood, and I couldn't find anything that was like easily replaceable. You know, one of those tiny fuses. If memory serves me right, I think I might, don't quote me on it, I don't remember anymore, have seen something labeled as an amplifier, but it was like a big fuse. Anyways, I took it to the dealer and they deemed the amplifier dead. Out of warranty, obviously. In Canada, electronics are covered for 3 years and 60,000 kilometers. And I was at 80,000 kilometers at the time. So yeah, this happened a few months ago. So this is a delayed video. Had to be replaced because if I returned the car without fixing it, at the end of the lease, they would have charged me anyways. So might as well have it replaced and enjoy it. I found a used amplifier on eBay for $650. I'll tell you why. But I did not go for it. The part, I actually asked the dealership to replace it. The cost of the part was $3,000 Canadian, 2 hours of labor. At $145 per hour, that was $290 after taxes. In Ontario, 13%, $3,717 Canadian and some change. Is your cost out of pocket to replace the amplifier for the Kia EV6? Now, I did look at that used $650 amplifier, but I didn't go for it because what if it died again, and then that's more money out of pocket. So I just had to get it done at the dealer. So for those who actually paid for the extended warranty at the dealer when they got their Kia EV6, which was not cheap, I hope this makes you feel better. It's not a widespread issue of the amplifier dying, but it is an issue. Clearly, it happened to me. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you found the video useful, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and thank you for watching.